Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sort of add calendars, like add holidays to your Google Calendar, like public holidays and like even some sports events you can add by using this tutorial. So press the add other calendars and press browse calendars of interest. So I'm going to add in Muslim holidays, and you can also browse regional holidays. So I'm just going to add in holidays from Indonesia because that's where I'm from. There you go. Just going to click that. So it'll add in public holidays in Indonesia, and you can also add like sports events, but I'm not a big fan of sports, so well, you can just click on it over here. You can add in from the Major League Baseball. Do not know what any of that means, but to add in let's see, to add in gosh, I do not. Okay, I'm just going to randomly add in something. Let's add in main red clause. You're just going to press on this and it's going to be added to your calendar, and you can even have like a preview of the calendar, I guess. Oh, there's nothing. But that is it. If you don't want to add it to your calendar, just click on this again. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!